Hey friends, I just wanted to share my do-it-yourself jewelry display board. I went and got this wooden frame from Walmart, pretty cost efficient. And then I went ahead and went to Hobby Lobby and got this jewelry display that's like a velvet material. But it's pretty cool. I like it. All I went and did is went ahead and glued everything to my frame board using Got to Be glue, but I had technical difficulty, so then I ended up just using my glue gun to go ahead and finish the rest of the project. And I ended up buying some rhinestones to add to the frame board just to have some decoration. Glued everything together, took my time. It could be a little messy, but I made it work. I didn't know what I was doing, so don't judge me. I was just doing trial and error, but I know I just wanted something shiny and something with red in it. Then once I glued everything together, I end up even getting some acrylic gems and roses from no, not Walmart. I got it from Dollar Tree, and just glued everything up together. And once I was finished, just went ahead and got some picture hooks and added it to my slate walls. I hope you like it. Share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.